Yeah, yo, to the motherfucking head, check it out. To the motherfucking head. To the motherfucking head, to the motherfucking head. To the motherfucking head, check it. One time for your mind just to flip it. Ring, ring, yo, here comes the boom. To the head, while niggas be banging off the tune. Some I excite and most run in fright. Today, tonight, and tomorrow I'm the favorite height. Never cold, rap talk off the press, niggas stressed. Can't chill from my abrasiveness. Bet on him if I'd say it's favorable. In it to win it, cause nowadays the rap game is full. Check it, I mean, we could talk shop and what we got. A few MCs kicked it up a notch. Wicked styles, which one to choose? Whatever, son, either way, punk's fair to reproduce. And needless to say, they shooting blanks. A waste of vocals, boy, your raps are quite the prank. I nurture rhymes into completion with a bit of secretion. It's the raw pick of the season. Well, cursed be the soil rappers spoil the crops of hip-hop. They trying to strike oil. Nah, on this land I'm keeping it fertile. Ersatz can't hurt, college drop ain't worthwhile. I manifest raps that brothers knew would bring the R-A-W, extinguishing enough for you. So park it down comfortably under me, or suffer, see I whip ass performing so wonderfully. Won't get by minds, I'll let fly rhymes and dazzle words with deeper force than Jedi minds. Rappers wanna rock the party only. Don't start me, you disrespect Hooray King and Garvey. Gotta remedy the destiny with rap and read the best of me. Return rap to what is heard presently. I'm booming, always, so don't sleep. You got half a minute to execute a tweak. Psych, pumped up. Feel the steel tendons representing real niggas from Regent Park to Trenton. If it ain't quite ugly already, get ready. Second to this medley redefines deadly. I got purpose like Mr. Wordsmith. Suckers work it feeling nervous, so I murk it. Coming like a raptor released, at least the rap tore through. Sucker rappers are deceased. No peace, the raw nuke is launching. My infrared is in your head, there ain't no response when it's critical. You sound typical. Matter of fact, to chatter rap after is a miracle. Built like Lego, y'all better lay low. Punk ass rappers won't survive the raw payload. Fire at will, it's bout to get ill. You dress to kill for what? Cause with the best skill, I annihilate like the United States. That's it, it's over. Pack up and out, ride the days of mad clouds of smoke, no joke. My seriousness provokes MCs to go for broke. What the fuck I meant? Punishment, save up cash against what my style's underwent. I'm writing it as I'm heightening it. You saved up cash to focus on rewriting it. Shit, let's battle right now, punch for punch. Your time needs a crunch.